The starter assembly is a quick and easy way to fix a worn or damaged starter. The starter assembly includes all the parts that commonly wear out, such as the starter spring, rope, pulley, and pawls. Replacing the starter assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old starter from the engine. I'll remove the rope from the holder on the handle. The starter is held to the engine with 3 bolts. Now I can install the new starter. I'll align the starter so the rope is pointing back towards the handle, and then I'll secure it with the bolts. And I'll reinstall the rope back into the holder on the handle. And that's how easy it is to install a new starter assembly on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.